Carved turnips were the first jack-o'-lanterns, carved by the Celts to guide past relatives home. This turned into carving pumpkins when they immigrated to America. Although small, turnips are easy to carve. Start by cutting the bottom of the turnip just enough to have a good even base. Next, cut the top and keep to use as the lid. With a small knife, cut a line all the way around the edges of the turnip. Be sure to only push part way in. Next, cut lines vertical across the turnip and then horizontal across the flesh, making a grid. With a sturdy but small spoon, pop out the squares of the grid. At first, this will be a little challenging, but keep going, it gets easier the more squares you pop out. Then scrape the inside of the turnip until it is hollowed out. Now it is time to carve the face. Using a small, pointed, sharp knife, it's best to use straight cuts like triangles because of the hardness of the turnip. When satisfied with the face, place a tea light, light the wick, and place the lid on top. If the candle goes out, there needs to be more oxygen to keep the flame going. This means either enlarging the face, adding holes on the side, and possibly notching the lid. All of these create additional holes which can give enough oxygen. Display your carved turnips with your other holiday decor or place outside like the ancients did to guide your loved ones home.